So my name is Heather Kinney. I'm the Coastal Restoration Program Manager at the Nature Conservancy in Rhode Island. The Nature Conservancy is one of the largest nonprofit conservation organizations in the world. So right now we are headed out from Safe Harbor Cove Haven Marina in Barrington to our first site at Kennemicut Point to do our very first beach seine of the day using our 130-foot net. The target species that we're most interested in are scup, tautog, black sea bass, winter flounder, and summer flounder. And that is because these are really recreationally important fin fish.
We're actually more concerned with our juvenile fish than our adult fish because we like to see what is recruiting into the fishable populations so we can set regulations and determine population size into the future to determine what people can catch out on the water.
So we just set our net along the shore. This gives us basically a snapshot of what is living in the water within that area, and we can take those data that we're collecting right now to extrapolate that on a larger scale to the estuary. What the team is working on right now is identifying, counting, and measuring the fish species that we caught. So that helps us tell what the age classes are of what we're catching. Our winter flounder, we also get summer flounder here, but this is a commercial and recreationally important fish.
Estuaries like Narragansett Bay are nursery grounds for a wide diversity of species for all of the things that you're fishing for in the ocean. Fishermen recognize that without careful conservation and restoration and protection of estuaries and good water quality, we don't have good fishing. So it's a natural partnership. When we protect rivers and bays and estuaries, that means better fishing, better fisheries, and a more enjoyable experience for everyone who loves to be out on the water.
We are always excited to share about the science that we do at the Nature Conservancy, and you can come out and volunteer with us if you like, out on the boat to do some field sampling, and you can find out more about what we do at our website or follow us on socials.